Hello everyone, I'm your teacher for this question. The question says, in problems, determine whether the second polynomial is a vector of the first polynomial without dividing or using synthetic division. So, we need to determine whether x plus 1 is a vector of 3x cubed minus 7x squared minus 8x plus 2. Okay, there's a very practical theorem we can use. It's called remainder. So, remainder theorem, which states that when we divide a polynomial fx by x minus c, the remainder is fc. So what we can do is just to calculate. So just calculate fc. By which I mean, in our case, c is supposed to be equal to -1, right? So because we have x minus c here. So far, in our case, c is equal to -1. So c is equal to -1. So what we can do is just to put -1 back to f, which is 3x cubed, and the long polynomial right here is the first polynomial. Okay, so if we get, let me write here. So if fc is equal to 0, that means remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. It says x minus c is a factor. Okay, so let's test it out. So we put c into the first polynomial. We will get 3 times -1 cubed minus 7 times -1 squared minus 8 times -1 plus 2. We would get 3 times -1 cubed is equal to -1. Minus 7, right here, -1 squared is equal to 1. So minus 7, right here we have 2 negative signs. So plus 8 plus 2. We should get -3 because 3 times -1. So -3 minus 7 plus 10. So my -10 plus 10 is equal to 0. So remember we said if fc is equal to 0, x minus c is a factor. So we can conclude that x plus 1 is a factor of the first polynomial. Okay, so that should be our answer. So it is a factor of the first polynomial. So what we can take away from this question is the remainder theorem, which states that when we divide a polynomial fx by x minus c, the remainder is fc. So we can just use c to test if x minus c is the factor. Okay, so that's all for this question. See you in the next video.